Yes, you're very welcome about the invitation. Also, thank you for the invitation uh, that you've given to me. So, um, regarding your first question, my name is Rodmijan Digalios. So, I am 33 years old. I graduated here in CTU Argao campus with a bachelor's degree on BIS IT. So that was the previous course of the BIT. So BIS IT meaning Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology. My major was drafting technology. And then now I'm currently working here in CTU and my position is a part-time instructor.
Okay, so number two, what made you apply to your job right now?
Now the reason why I apply for this job because of course I no longer have a job. So there was yes, it is considered a referral by an employee here in CTU to for me to apply in a part-time instructor job here in CTU because of course of my experience as a drafter. So the school needed a drafting instructor. So I took the opportunity and luckily I was hired here in CTU. I find that job kuan pud ka na challenging. So na interesado po ko kung saan pa kasi interesado po ko actually sa eskwelahan kung saan ay status sa eskwelahan. Also, I want to share my knowledge and experience sa akong pagpanarbaho for a decade dito sa industry. Ma-share na ko diri sa estudyante.
Our third question, sir, is how long have you been working in CTU Argao?
I've been working here since September 2021. Yes, 2021. So, kana almost 3 years na. 2021, 2022. Mo 3 years na dito. Ikuman karon nga sim.
What are the benefits that you are receiving in CTU Argao?
My position right now as a part-time instructor. As a part-time instructor, wala sila ihatag nga benefits ana. So, ako rin yung madawat dire what I will receive from the school legally ato rin yung salary nila. Now, there are sorry, tawag mga government subsidies like just like now but there are government subsidies just like last year na nanghatag sila bugas to masasako man to. So usa na siya sa mga benefits nga nadawat na ko. Other than that, kanang mga Christmas 14 uro gid na. Uro gid na kanang Christmas 14 nga hatag nila mga gifts, mga groceries. Mura na yung mga benefits nga nadawat na ko dire. Other than that, wala na ko mga nadawat na benefits.
So the afternoon, sir. Number 5 question. Do you see yourself working in the same university long term?
My impression with sa school, especially regulations nila, especially discipline sa ilag yung pagdisiplin sa mga estudyante dili ko ganahan yeah. Naapoy dagang reklamo regarding sa mga trabahante. That's why ang akong tubagaan ni I don't have a long-term plan nga magtrabaho ko diri sa CTU because of those reasons. So ako ginahinutan. Okay.
So for final question, sir, what is your ideal employer and company or university?
Really my ideal employer get so all the benefits are given to us. Nindot gyud siya ang kumpanya atong gingon ako ninyo paano siya reputable international company niya. Nindot gyud siya benefits actually ganahan ko open sila balik diri sa Cebu. Most probably mo apply ko balik nila. Siguro gani bas mo resign ko diri. I'm planning actually to resign with factory, di na ako mag-renew. Niya, katugi pinaka-ideal na kumpanya. Ang ngano makaingon ko nga ideal company, katugi ingon ako ninyo ganiya, complete of benefits. Nagay may gitawag ko ka na, actually, kinang kumpanya, nagay may exam na every year regarding anang ethics and then kanang mga safety. So grabe gid ang mga kumpanya sa una. Sa maayo gid siya mga kumpanya with regards to bisag compensation, benefits. Basta kaya ang environment na mo dito kanang magtinabangay. Of course, naamo gid yung mga batik gid yung mga kanang mga let's say for example, mga backbiting sa mga employees, especially kanang mga leaders nga dili ganahan ng kanang di na mo ganahan ng mga leaders ang ginang environment na mo dito is the company does not promote those kanang mga unethical na mga practices mga good. So that's why I previously said to you nga kanang nagin mi mga exam na every year gina siya nga kanang bahin sa ethics kanang ethical standards na mo nagin mi certificate ana after na mo take sa exam. So para to remind all of the employees always be ethical sa among mga trabaho. So kana mo gid akong pinaka makaingon ko nga ideal company.
That's all, sir. Thank you for your time and cooperation, and hope you have a better future ahead.
Okay, thank you.